Maximus analysis here for November 2nd, 2015. We see that they have gone past 50% of the chop mark. So again, the upside potential could be about that 2120 area. We looked at the move, and we're kind of trying to measure this one out from this low to, we use this, they're right there actually from this low. And again, if they got higher, maybe it could be the 2120. But this is a historical move on the for October, so it is what it is. There's nothing, I've never seen anything like that, and it was the monster of all squeezes. So you have also this move right here about to be same thing, just a huge move up for the NQ, and you also had the YM, probably one of the worst looking. Well, no, the IWM is probably the worst looking one, but again, it hasn't gotten in this measured move. Could be around that 18,000 because they got above here. So using this high, you could say they can get up to 18,000. IWM gave you a good, they're right against the last sell signal, but these bars are pretty strong. If you're going to take it above here, you want to make sure your stop is below this 113 area, 112.50 area. You had crude, make sure you look at these levels of 46.12, 44.44, and 42.79. Those are the levels to kind of keep yourself abreast of, but this is a very hard pattern to kind of go long on. So again, we want to see if they're going to roll over and take out this 45 again. You have Priceline continuing to scream up. You have Google giving you some more upside potential after the little minor sell signal. Baidu after earnings continues to move up. Tesla is sideways, still in this channel from this Consumer Reports move. So we'll see how that one plays out. You have Amazon continuing higher. Apple as well is testing some of these. It's kind of running out of little juice right now, but if it continues up, we're looking at 1.7. So we'll see what again, I would look more for a pullback regarding this one, especially how the volume looks. But again, if it continues up, you're looking at, let's say, another $5 to $7 if it continues to the upside, which is nothing surprises me anymore. Facebook, after this sell signal came back and gave my sell signal, and now is, again, I would look for a lower high if you're looking at short, or I would be looking for a little bit more pullback. Remember, here is the line in the sand regarding these prior highs. Give you, 3 to 5 bars, and then gives you above here some nice risk maybe to get to that 108 level. You got LinkedIn continuing higher again. I would not be shorting this right here unless you're going to be very, very nimble. But again, you could look at, is this just islands all over the place for LinkedIn? You have this island, you have this island, you have this island. This one is just gap and go, so it's really difficult regarding that name. But then you have kind of tidy Netflix right here. So let's see where we're going to go. And again, it's right at the 50% mark right here, right now. So if you're looking to take a short, you keep your short above this high, or maybe you use this as your stop. You had Visa got beat today, but then it was offset by the oils. Maybe that's a rotation they got going on right now. So you see Chevron, ExxonMobil did really, really well today. And we have Yellen speaking on Wednesday, of course. They just couldn't make another week without Yellen speaking at 10 o'clock. So again, we'll see what happens and continue from there. Again, you have IBM up about 30 cents, which is not giving any. I would just be taking profits at this time. And really nothing to really talk about in regards to, unless you're looking at some biotech stuff. But overall, the market looks strong. It's a historic October, and there's nothing I could say. Again, I was saying that each time it went down, I look for a retracement of short into it. It got stopped out. So again, October wasn't the best for me, and I'll be the first to admit it. I'm going to be a real trader. I'm not going to tell you that, okay, I reversed my position. I wasn't expecting all of this, and I've never seen anything like this before. So again, I saw this flush down, thought maybe this, again, you get stopped, and then you just say the hell with it after that, because they just moved to this type of force all the way up from 1883 to basically it's 150 S&P points they moved from this low. So hey, it is what it is. So we've seen this type of movement before, and we'll see if this pauses or at least stops this type of movement like it did last time, and then it gave a little retrace. But now it still has a bunch of upward resistance that we have highlighted in blue. So this was the majority. This was from February basically to August that it just chopped sideways. So either they blow through it, or this was just going to be something that they sell into. But right here, right now, it's just like how much more they got in the tank. I don't know. I'm not going to try to guess, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. So take care.